Blessed Peeps, you know it's your girl Destiny Blessed Mom. So today I am going to attempt to put on my first frontal wig. Yes, it's 2020 and I'm a black woman, and no, I'm not used to wigs. So stay tuned and I'll see you on the flip side. So, as I was saying, I have never worn a closure wig before. So today I will be attempting because I don't like how my hair looks. First, let me show you. This is all my hair. This is no weave, no nothing. So first, I will be going ahead to braid it. I need a perm. The salons are all closed and I don't usually do my hair myself. I just go ahead and get a blowout or get a perm, but this is just too much new growth. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid up my hair. Gotta get them here straightened. Oh gosh, this is like almost natural. Okay, let me just put this out of the way. Put this out of the way for a second. And I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair. There's a reason I go to the salon, because I'm not a good stylist. Nah. Can somebody help me? This is too much hair. How am I gonna do this now? To all the stylists out there, all the fashionistas, all the beauty babes, all the people, all the ladies who know how to do hair, I love you. And to my hairdresser, I miss you, because I don't know. This ain't working out, man. I'm not made for this. I can't do hair. I need help. If you're watching this, that means this video was a success. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Okay, next side. Woo! I'm getting it, guys. I'm getting it. Almost. I'm almost there. Almost there. So, if any of you lovely, lovely, blessed people have any advice for me on what I need to do, what I should have done better with my hair, let me know. Can you imagine? Black girl can't do hair? Unheard of, right? This ain't good. It's not 100%. However, practice makes perfect, and I don't usually do my hair anyhow. So, I got it! I got it! Okay, so I have to put on a stocking cap, right? Alright, let me get that on. I think my head is too big. There we go. How do I put a wig on? A closure. Again, I'm not used to wigs. So, I got this wig. It's a bob wig. I got it from Jamelik, Selina Beauty Fashions. I'll put the link in the description box below to her IG page. She has really nice stuff for beauty and things. It looks so cute. So let's see. I think there's like a strap here, and what else, like hooks and all of these things. I really don't know how this works, y'all. I need advice. I need help. Let's get it. When I see you fashionista put on your wigs, you guys just throw it on like a hat. So let me see what I have to do. Okay. All right. I don't know how you guys put this on. I'm gonna try. All right. No, for real. How do you put a wig on? Okay. Let me try. Okay, I got it. All right, I think I'm getting the hang of this. I think so. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Thank God for the straps. Check out Selina Beauty Fashions, guys. So, I was told that I have to hook the back. I'm trying to get the hook at the back. All right, I'm excited to see the outcome. Yep, this is good. So I just need to learn how to do my eyebrows now. This is good. Thank you so much, Selina. This is good, guys. And I just want you guys to have a good Memorial Day. Be safe and have fun. Get some rest. I know a lot is going on right now, but you could still stay home and have fun, right? And for those of my peeps who are in Jamaica, wagwan. Happy Labor Day to you guys too. So don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't done so, subscribe. Ciao for now. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my. Why? This ain't over.